friend, today we will discuss how to find a small and large value in Microsoft Excel in a list. Here we will generate an example list 2, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12, 16, 9, 1, and we will use here a small formula is equal small bracket start टेबल एरे है जो select टेबल एरे comma 1 bracket close. We will find here a small value. Now we will find large value in a list. We will use here a formula of large 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 bracket start and select the table array, and after comma we will use number 1 bracket close, and we will find the large value here. So by this way, using the small and short formula, we will get small and large value in a list. Thanks for watching.